This is our new product FHSM-505G. First I will show you how to thread. Now we need to put a spool on the thread spindle. Pull the thread to pass through the bobbin winder tension disc, down through the gap. Pull it back up as the arrow. Go through the take-up lever. Then go through the hole next to the needle clamp screw. Rotate the hand wheel to lift the needle to its highest position. Easily thread the needle from back to front. Slide the bobbin cover off. Hold the needle thread with one hand. And with the other hand turn the hand wheel counterclockwise. The needle thread will pick up the bobbin thread and pull it up through the hole under the needle. Separate the two threads and pull them to the back of the machine under the presser foot, leaving about 15 centimeters hanging there, and replace the bobbin cover. Next I will show you how to select the stitch when you are sewing. First of all, we need to plug the adapter. Open the light to see more clearly. Put the fabric under the presser foot. Choose the stitch pattern and rotate the hand wheel. Turn on the switch, then it will start sewing automatically. Turn off the switch and lift up the presser foot. Rotate the fabric and lower down the presser foot lifter. Choose another stitch pattern, turn the hand wheel counterclockwise several times. To make sure there is no jamming in the stitches, turn on the switch, then it will start sewing automatically again. Turn off the switch and lift up the presser foot. Rotate the fabric and lower down the presser foot lifter. Choose another stitch pattern. Repeat the previous steps, do you remember? Finally, you can see that all the stitches are very beautiful. Next I will show you how to sew a buttonhole. Before we sew the buttonhole, we need to change the presser foot to buttonhole presser foot. Then connect the power jack. Make sure the thread is smooth before sewing. Then put the fabric under presser foot and press down the presser foot on the fabric where you need to sew buttonhole. Then we will do 3 steps to sew a buttonhole. Step 1. Choose stitch 8, then turn on switch and sew stitches. Then turn off switch. Step 2. Choose the stitch 7, rotate the hand wheel 2 to 3 rounds to make sure there is no jamming. Then turn on switch and sew on the cloth in suitable lengths. Then turn off switch, lift up the presser foot and turn the fabric around 118 and put down the presser foot. Step 3. Choose stitch 7, rotate the hand wheel 2 to 3 rounds. Then turn on switch and sew on the cloth in suitable lengths. Then turn off switch and rotate the hand wheel to raise the needle to the highest position. Then lift up the presser foot and take out the fabric carefully. Now you could see a beautiful buttonhole. The last part is to show you how to sew a button. Before we sew the button, we need to change the presser foot to nailing button presser foot. Then connect the power jack. Put the fabric under presser foot and place the button you want to sew below the presser foot, making sure to align the holes with the horizontal slot in the foot. Lower the presser foot to hold the button in place. Then choose stitch 8 and rotate the hand wheel to make sure the needle goes safely through each hole of the button. Turn on switch and sew about 10 stitches. Then turn off stitch, sew the other row of holes, using the steps above. Finally, lift up the presser foot and take out the fabric carefully. Then you could see the button is sewing on the fabric. Please go and get your sewing machine to practice. Thank you for watching.